Today we'll be making another 3-ingredient recipe, and the star ingredient is Nutella. And who doesn't love Nutella? These 3-ingredient Nutella cookies are delish. So let's get on with it.
In a bowl, we'll be adding some Nutella. Then we'll be adding 1 egg into Nutella and mix it. Time to add in a third and final ingredient, that is all-purpose flour. We'll first mix everything together using a spatula, and then at the end we'll be using our hands to make a dough. We'll take small portions out from the dough, and using our palms we'll make small balls out of it and place on the parchment paper. This recipe would give us around 12 to 15 cookies. We'll bake these at 170 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. And our delicious Nutella cookies are done.
You can have these as it is or with a chilled glass of milk. You'll love these. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you try this recipe out, do let me know in the comment section how you like it. Until next time.